Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply a slide or page transition to your presentations on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. So head over to presentation on Canva. Let me go with this presentation template here for the sake of this tutorial. What you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots in the top right corner of the given page thumbnail here at the bottom. What you want to do is, after that, is select Add Transition from that menu. Here, guys, you can go through that transition library, and if you hover your mouse over one of these, you will see the preview here, right? If I select it, for instance, I will be given access to that advanced menu here, so you can adjust the transition duration. So if you want it to be quick, you can go with, I don't know, half a second. You can enter the value here as well in seconds, or a long transition of, let's say, 3 seconds. You can adjust also the direction if the given transition type supports it, or other options like this one here. So you can also apply the given transition to all pages, from this to this to this, and so on and so forth. You will see also the transition here at the bottom, that small icon. And you can also, guys, hover your mouse over that space between these two pages or slides and select Add Transition, and it is going to navigate you to the same menu here. If you'd like to remove the transition, select None here, close the menu. As you can see, the transition has been removed. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.